Alright, hey, what's going on, guys? This is bike check number 3. In the first part of trying to make this video, I dropped my phone, fell on the ground. Too many jump cuts and crap, and my video editing software for my phone isn't working. So, yeah, let's get on to it. I've got the stock Subrosa bars in 8.5 rise, 28.5-inch long. I don't know if there's any back sweep or nothing. Black Shadow Cholula grips with the flanges, because I like flanges. The Shadow Deadbolt bar ends in black. They're really, really scratched up, but I don't really care. They're metal bar ends, they're meant to be. I got the Subrosa Hold Tight stem that came stock on it, but I'm really glad it did, because I was going to buy it anyways. I stripped out the stock fork bolt, so I put the one from the stolen in, because I don't really ride the stolen much. I'm pretty sure my phone's flipping out. I don't know if the thing's going side to side. Stock forks, the Mission Brigade front wheel. So it's the Mission Brigade front hub in female axle. It's black spokes, black nipples. The Mylar double wall rim, pretty nice, I like it. Box valve caps, just needed some, I like the black. I got Odyssey Nighthawk tires in black. They look kind of gray, sorta. They're black. It's got the reflective strip on it, so if you see this line right here, it goes around, it's not really noticeable, but that's like a reflective strip. This is the Subrosa Tiro frame 2015. It was the black and gray model, but now there's nothing really gray left on it. I've got an LZ sticker, LZ BMX, and S&M sticker. Seat is kink Solus pivotal. And then I've got a Colt seat post. I've got the S&M XLT seat clamp in gold. It's the race one because they didn't have the gold in stock at the time. But it still fits, so it doesn't really matter. The Tyro frame, I don't know if I said that already. Primo Nair sprocket in gold is 25 tooth. It is only 25 bucks on Dan's Comp, and I like Primo. I run a lot of their parts. They're pretty good. They never really break on me. I've got rank cranks, which were stock bottom bracket. I've got the Colony Fantastic PC pedals in black with the gold accents on the bolts. I've got a white KMC chain. I run it not tight but not loose. I don't know, just the perfect way so I don't snap it when I'm grinding, considering I grind on the right. I've got the Colony Primo drive side hub guard in plastic, just to protect when I'm grinding. I've got the Colony free coaster wheel with the Colony clone free coaster hub in black. Some Colony spokes, Colony nipples, and then the Colony contour back rim. It's $60 on Dan's Comp alone, and the hub alone is like $170, I believe, or $165. So I just got the complete wheel because it would be cheaper. And then I've got the box valve cap in the back. That's really it for this bike check. A lot has changed since the last one. The last one, it was basically a old bone stock. Now it's really not. Oh, yeah, forgot the tree dust cap. There we go, in gold. Now that's everything. Alright. Oh. In the back is an Odyssey Nighthawk tire, 2.2, and then in the front, 2.4. And yeah, that's really it. I probably should have cleaned my bike for this video. Didn't really, just got back from work, just made a video. Like, comment, subscribe. Alright, my friend wanted me to give him a shout out so he could get subscribers. I got the chain from Zach Turner. It was in his dance comp unboxing. Yeah, guys, subscribe to him. He's pretty cool, pretty good. We're about the same at riding. I don't know, he can do a little bit more stuff than I can, but I can do a little bit more things than he does. Yeah, that's really it, honestly. Yeah, like, subscribe, comment, whatever. See ya.